We can employ our motors and gear system in a variety of ways, and today we're going to make a merry-go-round. We are using the stronger motor for this video to ensure that we can overcome the friction caused by the weight. To make sure we had enough power to rotate this weight, we connected the merry-go-round directly to the motor axle, secured it, but did not like how it looked. We ran a few tests to show it could turn, but it shook a lot and did not look great. We decided we should use a pulley system to ensure that the merry-go-round spins in a controlled manner. We first spread the motor and the merry-go-round out with bricks, but it didn't get the right amount of control, the right amount of tension in the string. Tension is required because it helps the string grab on both sides of the system, both pulleys. But our string was too loose and kept falling off. This design probably could have worked, but we moved on to some foam so that we could control the design more closely. In the foam setup, we pulled the motor further apart using small sticks. This separated the motor from the cup, which allowed the rope to have the right amount of tension. We put a stick straight up in the foam so it would keep our merry-go-round in place, but not add too much extra friction. We can see the string is tight even while the entire system rotates. Then we started modifying how long the motor turned because the number of rotations per second could get pretty wild. We first changed the code to have a quarter second running and a quarter second off. Then we smoothed it out by having it run for 250 milliseconds and then stop for 100 milliseconds. This gave us the smoothest ride. These end steps are an example of combining mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. Mechanical engineers design moving parts like our merry-go-round. Electrical engineers guide the flow of electricity through various components. We needed to use both of these ideas to make the merry-go-round spin perfectly.
You may have noticed our merry-go-round went backwards. Rather than changing the code, we just changed the wires. Electrical engineering at work.
Thanks for learning with us.